Hi, welcome to Profitable Forex. Here we give you amazing strategies that will help you trade profitably and win. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at a strategy that you can use for volatility indices. Okay, so today we're looking at volatility 25, where you can use any volatility. You can use this strategy on any of the volatility, be it volatility 75, be it volatility 50, 100, 10. Okay, but today we're going to be looking at volatility 25 because that's where we got a good signal to trade. So let's head on to volatility 25 right away and get onto the chart. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to enter a trade. You know, what are the things you have to look out for before taking a trade. Okay, and we're going to be using a simple indicator, just simple indicator to help our direction. Okay, so what are the things you look out for before entering a trade? First, you have to look out for reversal patterns. Okay, look out for reversal patterns, be it the classic charting pattern or the Japanese candlesticks reversal pattern. So you have to look out for this at either at the support level or at the resistance zone before entering a trade. Okay, and make sure when the market is at the resistance zone, do not enter a buy. Okay, and when it's at the support zone, do not enter for a sell. Okay, it will be so it will be so destructive if you enter that. Okay, so what are the things you look out for? First, you have to look out for reversal candlesticks. Okay, and with this strategy, we're going to be using indicator. We're going to be using the moving averages and moving average in our main chart, and we're going to be using other indicators in the indicator window. And this is volatility 25, the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so what did I can see I took a trade over here. You can see I took a sell here. Can you see that? I took a sell there, and look at how massive it has gone down. And what are the things that make me to take this trade? Okay, firstly, I checked that it was at a resistance zone. Okay, this is a resistance zone over here. So I checked that it was at a resistance zone, and after identifying the resistance zone, I also waited to see that there is a reversal candlestick being formed, and this is the reversal candlestick. That's the bearish harami. Okay, if you want to learn about reversal candlesticks, which is very necessary for you to trade profitably, you have to know this before you can trade profitably. So if you want to learn about it, you can join my WhatsApp group and contact me for it. Okay, so I got the signal for that reversal pattern, and that's a confirmation, and I waited for a second candlestick appearance. Okay, to make sure that the second candlestick is heading my assumed direction, which is a bearish trend, and that is the second candlestick. And when I saw that it was bearish, I entered for a sell. I took a sell trade, and you can see that. So that's one of the factors I looked out for before taking this trade, even without indicators. That's one of the factors I looked out for before taking this trade. Now, with the help of my indicators, the exponential moving averages, I was able to detect that the trend is going to go bearish. How do I know that? Because the indicators, the moving averages, they are about to cross over to this other side of the chart, and when they cross over to the other side of the chart, it means the trend is going to go bearish for the main time. So that was the function of these moving averages. I have my moving average, 3 moving averages. They have the one of period 5 and the other 2. So, and that is the factor I looked out for before taking this trade, and you can see how massive the profit is. And what other thing did I look out for? I looked out for this indicator here. The indicator we are using here, we are using the Ichimoku and the RSI. Okay, and just a simple moving average there, or exponential moving average over there. on the indicator window. Okay, so we looked out for the Ichimoku touching the 90 level. Okay, the Ichimoku touching the 90 level, that is the overbought region. Okay, once at the 5 minutes time frame, remember, at the 5 minutes time frame, and even when I checked on the 1 minute time frame before I took the trade, the Ichimoku was also touching the 90 level. That is the overbought level. Okay, that is the 90 level. So once it hits that level, it means it's going to go bearish, it's going to sell. So that is one of the factors I looked out for before taking this trade. Okay, so now let me show you the setup I use for the indicator. So click on your indicator, let's check out the settings. So click on your indicator over there. Okay, so let's check out our main chart. Okay, so let's check out the setting of the moving average. The first moving average, we added moving average. You can screenshot it or write it down somewhere. Let's check out the settings. So we took period 40, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style to bezel, color purple, or use any color of your choice. The levels, no levels, so you leave it empty. Then the second moving average, period 5, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style to bezel, color any color of your choice. When I use pink, no levels, leave the levels empty. And moving average, the third moving average, period 20, methods shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style to bezel, use any color of your choice. I used yellow. So these are the setup of the moving average, and this moving average you add them at your main chart. Okay, so let's look at the indicator at the indicator levels, the indicator window. So the first indicator there is the RSI, the relative strength index. Let's check out the settings. So we have period 16, apply to close, style to bezels, and the levels. We have level 90, 10, 95, and 5. So click on this pencil shape here, the pencil symbol here, to edit your level. So you click on it. You have if there is no space for you to add your levels, first of all you have to delete. Okay, you have to delete first. You have to delete. Click on the delete first, then add, then click on the plus sign, then click on the plus sign to add the levels. Okay, so our levels are level 90, level 10, 95, 5, then style 1 pixel or 2 pixel if you want, and color black. Okay, so click on done. So the next indicator is the Ichimoku. So let's check out the setting. So we have Ichimoku, Tekanshen 1, Kunjishen 2, Shenkun Spambi 52. Then leave the field. Do not tick the field. Do not tick it. Don't tick that box. Leave it. Okay. Then we have the styles. We have Tekanshen 4 pixel, color black, and the other ones should, their colors, the other 4, their colors should be the color of your background. If you're using a white background, let their color be white, and if you're using a black background, let their color be black. Okay, and if you're using a white background, make sure you change the color of this one. Do not use black like mine. Okay, so that is a setup for the Ichimoku. So you click done, and the third moving average at the indicator window is the third. So the third indicator at the indicator window is the moving average. Is the moving average, period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style to pixel, and use any color of your choice. I use yellow, so you click done. So those are the indicators we added to the indicator, to our charts, and to the indicator window. And you can see now that, you see, let me show you. You can see that this, we're at the 5 minutes time frame, and you see that when it was at the overbought level here and you took a sell, it's definitely going to sell down to the oversold level. Okay, So if you hold on to that trade, it's definitely going to sell down to the oversold level. Though it might not be a straight sell sometimes it might want to reverse a bit somewhere here and then come before coming back again. Okay, so sometimes it might want to go like this. Let me show you. Sometimes it might want to go down like this. Okay, and when it gets here, it might want to reverse before coming down again. So do not be scared when you see it reverse. If you want to stay on the trade long, you can wait until it gets to the oversold level before taking your profit. But if you don't want to hold on for long, you can take your profit at the middle stage. Okay, you can take a profit at this level, the level it is right now. Okay, and make sure you are checking for resistance zones and support zone. Like this place, this is a resistance zone, and it's likely to reverse there. Before moving downward again. So that's a resistance zone. So make sure as you are trading, you're holding on to your trade, make sure you are checking for the resistance zone. See, you can see it's reversing. Like I told you, it's reversing right now. But what you should look out for that will make you so confident to hold on to this trade is the moving averages. They are just about to cross the chart. Can you see that? They are just about to cross the chart. Can you see that? The period 20 and the period 40 moving averages, they are just about to cross the chart. And when they do, it's going to go down. Okay? A bit more. We're going to go down a bit more, probably to this support level over here before it can go up again, before it can go bullish again. And meanwhile, be checking your Ichimoku to see that it has not reached the oversold level in your 5 minutes time frame. And let's check the 15 minutes time frame to see how it's doing. Can you see? Oh my god, this trend is gonna go. Oh my god, this is a good signal. This trend is gonna go bearish for 15 minutes more. Can you see that? Even at the 15 minutes level, it touched the overbought level when I took the trade, and you can see it's currently going down. And it's still going to head down to this place. Can you see that? So we still have many more minutes, even to the next 30 minutes. Let's check out the 30 minutes time frame to see how it's doing over there. Oh my god, this is a very, 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 very good signal. This signal is a blast. Can you see that? Even at the 30, it's just touching the overbought level at the 30 minutes. Can you see that? So if you want to hold on to this, if you want to stay in the market for long, this is a very good signal. These are the things you look out for before taking a trade. Okay, so no matter how the market reverses and probably goes a little bit bullish before coming down, it will definitely come down. And it's going to come down like this 30 minutes time frame, and it's going to come down to this place. It's going to come down to that place. So I'm going to hold on to this trade for long, and the profit is going to be massive. It's going to be massive. Imagine having this 30 minutes. Imagine having 30 minutes candle up to this. It's going to get to this zone. Yeah, it's going to get to that zone. This signal is a blast. So let's check out our 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let's check out our 5 minutes time frame. So you see, so it's reversing. It reversed a bit. It went bullish a bit, but it's still going to come down because we have this confidence from the upper time frame, the 30 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, the 30 minutes time frame, that is going to come down. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame. Oh my god. This is a mad signal. Like, it's a blast. Can you see this? At the 1 hour time frame is also at the overbought level. Look at it. It's also at the overbought level. It's just reaching the overbought level, and definitely it's going to come down. So in the next more hours, I stay here. I'm going to hold on to this trade. In the more hours to come, the candlesticks are going to go down. it was previously on a bullish trend, now it's heading to a bearish trend. Can you see? Look at the point I took that trade. Look at the points just when it was just starting. So this is a very, very good signal, and this is how to enter a trade, and this is how you can stay in a trade for long. You can hold on to your trade with confidence, without shaking. You can without shaking. There's no way this trend is going to go up and knock me out of the market. No, it can't. It can't, because I entered rightly. I entered at the right time. Can you see that? So this is how to enter your trade. So go forth now and use the strategy and start making mad profit, start making crazy profit. Okay, so this is how to trade. If you got value from this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you.